So these are the ADORE-2043 heels. They are a 7-inch boot, buckle details in shiny black. And I'll be trying on these on for you today. Hi, it's Ashley again at Shoes of Hollywood. Today we have something a little different. We've got some boots. These are a 7-inch thigh boot. Come in the packaging. Have a look at these. These are crazy. How cool are these? So they have, it's a shiny black. They have this buckle detail all the way up. Sort of more of a gothic style boot. Again, it's got the grip at the bottom. They are stunning. It's nice to have something a little bit different in your collection. Again, these are stunning. They are a zip up, so you don't have to undo all the buckles to put them on. Oh, I think there's some tissue paper in there. I won't get far with that in there. Take that out. Perfect. A little bit twisted. Perfect. May have to undo one of these buckles just so they fit properly. Can be easily adjusted. Perfect. Nice and secure in the boot. Just adjust this front bit here. Perfect. I'll make sure to get the tissue paper out of this one. I would adjust the buckles when your foot is in the boot, because then you know how far you need to adjust them. The boots will get more flex when they start to wear in. We finally got there, guys. Now let's stand. These are my first pair of boots, actually. So let's see how I go. Let's go for a walk. Sometimes the boots can be a bit more secure because it does go around the ankle as well. I'm going to come sit down and you can have a closer look at the boots. They're absolutely stunning. They're really shiny. the buckle detail. We're going to go outside. You know how you like us going outside, so we're going to try it out on the concrete, see how it goes. This is my first time in boots. It's a little bit sunny out there today. Wish me luck, guys. The boots feel a little bit different. Get used to walking in them. But overall, I think they're pretty good. Go for a little bit more of a walk. They're nice and shiny with those buckles. Let's go. So quite comfy to walk in. I'm starting to feel a little bit safer in these boots now. I think the wind's picking up a little bit. Now we're going to go inside. So guys, these are the ADORE-2043 knee boots. They're a 7-inch heel. Out. There we go. Let us know if you'd like to see some more boots. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.